Hello, my name is Paul. I'm a developer at clickalgo.com. Today I'm going to explain how to create a Telegram Messenger bot. This Messenger bot allows you to broadcast signals direct to your mobile device instantly. So in this case, with the Alarm Manager dashboard, if an account or trade activity alarm occurs, you get an instant message telling you what's going on. This is a free service. We've added it into the dashboard as well as SMS services. The only thing is you need an internet connection for this type of alert to happen. With the SMS you don't. So I'll just show you the product here. So here, this is the address if you want to go and have a look at it. There's a tab here called Set Up Telegram. There's two values you need to get the Telegram service to work. It's a bot token and a chat ID. I'm going to show you now how to get those two values so that you can use them with this application. There's already a link and there's a web page that actually explains how to do it. This video is just going to go into it in a bit more detail just in case you get stuck. So we're going to start by opening the Telegram application. So this is assuming that you've gone to the Telegram website and you've downloaded one of the apps onto your devices onto your device to use. So you can either choose an Android device, an iPhone, iPad. You can use a tablet, web version, or Mac or PC. So any one of these. We've downloaded the PC because we can show you on this recording. Here's the PC application. So I'm going to show you how to create this bot. We've already created one called CTrading Alarm Manager, so I'm going to show you how to create another one. If you click on BotFather, and then you need a / new, and you need to type new bot. Let's try it again. Oh, sorry, wrong slash. New bot. Okay, all right. It speaks to you. Says all right. A new bot. What are you going to call it? Let's call it my Alarm Manager. Okay, now we need a username for that. I'm going to call it clickalgo_bot. Okay, it now gives you information about the bot you've just created. The main thing we need is this access key. So we're going to open up, first of all, we're going to open up and we need to send a message with this new messenger bot we've created. So if I click on this link here, it takes you to my Alarm Manager. I click on Start. I need to send maybe a couple of messages. Hello, Fred. And then go back to BotFather. Now I want this. I'll tell you why we need this access code, because now if you go to this page here that explains it, we grab this URL because we need the chat ID now, and this is the easiest way to get it. So we go to this URL and then we'll put it on this page. And then what we need to do is replace where it says bot$token with the actual access token it's given us there. So if I copy that, copy selected text, open up the Telegram application, I've already done that, go to the, go back here and now replace where it says bot$token with the value we've just got. There you go. And then we just need to press enter at the end. Oh, it's not found. I'll tell you why, because I've just made a mistake, and you'll probably do the same thing. Let's go back again. Just do Control-Z to go back. I erased the bot. I shouldn't do that. It's just the $token you want to replace. Try it again. Oops. Alright, let's refresh it again. If it does that, just go back and send a few more messages. And try it again. There you go. For some reason it's cached it or whatever, I don't know, and it didn't come up. The value that we want is this ID here. It's your chat ID. So this is the value that we want, and that is your chat ID. So I'm just going to open up, I'm just going to remember that value. Okay, we'll keep these values here, and now I'm going to start the application. Oh, it's already running. So the application runs through CTrader. There's another video that explains how to do it, but this is assuming that you've got the application up on the screen. You just run it on the chart and it'll open up. I'll just quickly go through just to quickly show you the various features of it. You've got real-time news. Web feeds, you've got to run it. So here we've got the bot token. So that was the chat ID we just had. So we put that in there. And then the bot token, if we go back to your web browser. And, oops, no, we go back to the Telegram app. And then we need to go back to BotFather to get the token. And then we grab the token. Make sure that there's no spaces in it. put the token there. Also, you can click on this link and I'll actually take you to the page to explain. Okay, now we want to test it. So this application, which is running, I click on My Alarm Manager. This application, which is running on your desktop. This, at the moment, we've got the Telegram application running on the same machine, but it could be on your mobile phone, on a device, on a completely different machine. So what will happen is if you just send the test message, hopefully with any luck, there we go. So we get a pop-up from the application. You tell them when it's sent it successfully. There it is. This is a test Telegram message from the CTrader Alarm Manager developed by ClickAgro.com, blah, 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 blah. So we're going to test this now with an actual event, an account event. So if we open up the chart, at the moment there's nothing running. We've got no application, no products. Obviously you can see that it's about to go bullish. So I'm going to go the opposite direction. Create an order and sell. Okay, so I've just put an order in to sell. Let's put another couple in. This hasn't got a stop loss, so we can use that one. Oops, I don't want to modify. Let's create another one. Sell again. Make it a larger amount. I want to get that drawdown up. And just do one more, even larger. Okay, so nothing much is happening on the price. So we'd have to wait to see what happens. So let's see what alarms we got. The margin level is 279%. 0.25. Just trying to find an alarm we can use that will actually work. So 278 is margin level. So if we can say the margin level drops below 278, we're going to send a telegram. Let's turn that on. Go back there. It's still 278. It's now 279. Let's just simulate it happening. Let's just push it up. Let's just click on that, and that'll make out that it's actually dropped below 279. There you go. An event's just occurred, and you can see the My Alarm Manager there. You've got one that comes up here automatically from the event disappears. And another one, this thing at the bottom right came from the Telegram service. So on the Telegram service it says the margin has just dropped below 279%. So if you see what I'm getting at, you can actually use this for any of the alarms on here. You can do any of these, allow you to send a Telegram alarm. So you've got pretty much, if you have a look at it, you've got all of these down here: net profit, broker feed, stops for 5 minutes. On trade activity, you've got close all positions each time each day. When there are so many losing positions, winning positions, consecutive losers, consecutive winners, any position is so many pips down or up. And then a product with no stop loss. So in this case, let's do one more. Telegram. There's one more position with no stop loss. So this one I've opened up without stop loss. So if you click on it, it should automatically, there you go, send it to your Telegram service. So this is just showing you. What would happen for the Telegram service. But the Telegram service can be on a mobile device. You could be on a mobile device. Sorry, you could be anywhere in the country or even in the world with the internet, and it will actually send you this free instant message telling you to go and look at your account. Something's happening with it. I hope that was useful. If you do get any problems with it, just send us an email at support@clickagro.com. Okay, thank you very much for your time.